Here's another home edition idea. Somebody wanted to they couldn't figure out how to draw the roof for an existing structure like this. And they want the home edition to look something like this. So first thing I need to say is my throat. Yes, I'm sick. So if it's a little hoarse or coarse and it irritates you, to turn the volume off and just simply watch the video. You don't need to hear my voice most of the time if you're just looking for an idea of what it's going to look like. So this is it. This is what it's going to look like here. So the roof's going to come out like this. All the water will shed off in this direction, but this is going to be a problem here. You're going to have water accumulating here unless you put a roof cricket in here, drainage cricket. And I do have a video for that on the website, or simply type in how to build a roof drainage cricket, and that should pop it up on the search engine. And if I remember, I will put a link here for that. So this is just something that would be sloping, something to get the water off and prevent it from pooling up over here. And there are other ways to do that. You can use sheet metal and stuff like that also. But anyway, this is what I think your roof would need to look like if you were going to put a home addition on like that. And this is what it might look like if you brought the wall out a little further and then brought this out a little further. But if you just wanted to dress up the front of your house and put a gable end on, something like that, and a little addition here, the roof cricket is going to be a little smaller in a situation like that. But of course, this is what the roof might look like if you chose to follow these plans. So anyway, hope it helps. Don't forget to check out some of our other videos. I think I do have a playlist of that, and I do have a link to it at the website. You're going to go to the design area, and then you're going to go to the home additions tab. And then on that page, I believe there is a section for roof designs, and that should be where all these little guys are located.